Hey parents, here's a short video about rounding and how we're doing it in class. So we've been doing it on the number line, but we've also been doing rounding using what we call our benchmark numbers. So if we had the number 5,478, the first thing we'd want to do is to draw these two little arrows, a line above and a line below. These two lines we're going to use to write our benchmark numbers on. So if I'm going to round this number to the hundreds place, I'm going to write 100 over here to the side so I know what place I'm rounding to. I'm going to start by underlining the hundreds place. So the possibilities here of what I could round to would be 5,400 or 5,500. Okay, and I can figure that out easily by saying, well, 5,400 plus 100, because I'm rounding to the hundreds place, is 5,500. So now that I have my place underlined, I've got my benchmark numbers identified, I'm going to circle my superstar number. My superstar number is a little bit bossy, and it tells me whether I need to round up or round down. So if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, that means it's more than half. So it rounds up. If it's 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, it rounds down because it's less than half. So my 7 is more than half, so I know I round up. Now, if we're doing a larger number, like 215,762, then I would round this a little bit differently. Sorry for my dog in the background. So this one, let's try rounding it to the 10,000s place. Okay, so here I have the 10,000s place. First, I'm going to underline my place, and then I need to figure out what my benchmark numbers are. So here I'm going to keep the 2. This is where some students really struggle. I'm going to keep the 2. I'm going to keep the 1. And I'm going to go ahead and circle my superstar because my superstar tells me where my zeros begin. So first I'm going to put a 0 here, 0, 0, 0. Now in order to figure out what two 10,000s this is between, well, it's between 210,000 plus 10,000 gets me to 220,000. Now I just look at my superstar. My superstar is a 5, so that means again I'm going to round up to 220,000. So we circle our answer so we know what to do. And let's do one more. Now this one is a little bit more complicated in some ways. So we have 39,715, and we're going to round this time to the thousands place. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my arrows, line up, line down, and I'm going to underline my thousands place and circle my superstar. So here I could say I'm going to keep my 3, I'm going to keep my 9, and then I put everything else zeros. That's my first 1,000 that I'm going to be looking at, plus 1,000 because I'm rounding to the thousands place. Again, I apologize for my dog. So 39,000 plus 1,000 actually makes me go to 40,000. Okay, so now I look at my superstar. My superstar is a 7, so my 7 tells me to go up, and so 40,000 is my answer.